Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your history class. We were doing the chapter number 7, from shelters to village settlements. Quickly write today's date. Today's date is date and write the heading chapter 7, from shelters to village settlements. Okay, take 30 seconds to do this and then we will move ahead. All right. So in the last class, we learned about Stone Age, right? We learned that the time period in history, वो time history में from which stone tools are found, वो time history में जहाँ पे stone tools found हुए थे is called the Stone Age. Now we also learned 3 types of Stone Ages: Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, New Stone Age. Old Stone Age had rough tools, Middle Stone Age had polished tools, and New Stone Age had Middle Stone Age had semi-polished tools, and New Stone Age had polished tools. So Stone Age क्या है? History का वो time where stone tools were found. There were 3 types of Stone Ages: old, middle, new. Old had rough stone tools, middle had semi-polished stone tools, new had polished stone tools. We also learned where Homo neanderthals and Homo sapiens lived, how they lived. So Homo neanderthals lived in caves. They To protect themselves from cold, they used animal skin inside the caves to provide warmth. वो animal skin पहनते थे to provide warmth inside the caves. They also built huts made out of bamboo and mud. वो bamboo और mud के huts बनाते थे, and they were called shelters. Now, obviously, bamboo और mud के बने तो they won't be very strong, so they were very weak, so they would not stay intact for a long time, right? Now, this is about Homo neanderthalensis. This was also Old Stone Age, right? So, in Old Stone Age, Homo neanderthalensis lived in shelters. Shelters किसके बने थे? Bamboo और mud के. They were not strong. Now, Homo sapiens. During Middle Stone Age, अभी Old Stone Age हो गया. Middle Stone Age, groups of Homo sapiens began living together in groups all around the world. So how we live in families in groups. So Homo sapiens also started living in groups, but वो world के all over the world they used to live at various places. Now these types of houses, these types of homes, Homo sapiens lived in called were seasonal camps. What are seasonal camps? They lived in different places as a group according to the season. So Homo sapiens used to live in different places. जहाँ पे गर्मी है वहाँ पे नहीं रहेंगे. If the weather is very hot, if the season is very hot, they'll go and live in a cold place. If it is very cold, they'll go and live in a hotter place. If it's raining a lot, so they'll go and live in some place where it's not raining. So they lived in different places as a group according to the season. They chose the place to live in according to season and the food available. खाने के वजह से खाने के basis पे और season के basis पे they used to choose their homes. This was Middle Stone Age. So we learned Old Stone Age में Homo neanderthalensis lived in shelters. Middle Stone Age में Homo sapiens lived in seasonal camps. Now quickly take 1 minute to write this down. Pause the video and write everything in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Now we learned about shelters, we learned about seasonal camps. In this chapter, there's one more thing left called village settlements, which is who lived in village settlements? Homo sapiens sapiens. Who are Homo sapiens sapiens? We are Homo sapiens sapiens. So the way of life changed in the new Stone Age period. Old Stone Age kya, Middle Stone Age kya, now comes New Stone Age. So way of life completely changed in New Stone Age. How? कैसे change हो गया life? Human beings became the producers of food grains. Human beings food grains produce करने लग गए, right? What food grains? Rice, chawal, dal, bajra, all of these. Homo sapiens started produce. Homo sapiens sapiens. Human beings started producing. उससे पहले how were human beings eating food? They were hunting animals. They were fishing. Hunt करके dead animals को जला के they were having food. Now they have started producing food like rice, dal, and stuff like that. Food could now be grown and stored for a long period of time. So rice, dal, these items we can store, right? पर अगर we are hunting animals or we are fishing, we can't store them for a longer time. हमको hunt करना और फिर उसको जला के खा लेना है. But अगर rice, dal, bajra, atta, these things we can store. So now food can be stored for a long period of time. Because of agriculture. Agriculture means what? Agriculture means farming, खेती बाड़ी. खेती बाड़ी की वजह से, because farming की वजह से, humans did not have to move from place to place for hunting food. Initially Homo sapiens were moving from place to place for food, right? वो hunt करते थे अलग अलग जगह पे और food के हिसाब से they were moving places. But now since rice, dal, all these food grains could be grown at one place only, तो उनको और move करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही. So people began building permanent village settlements. Settlements meaning वो वहां पे settle होने लगे. कहाँ settle होने लगे? Village में. कैसे? परमानेंटली, नॉट फॉर सम टाइम बट परमानेंटली, हमेशा के लिए वो विलेज में सेटल हो गए बिकॉज वहां उनकी खेती बाड़ी हो रही थी. एंड लिव्ड इन देम जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन. जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन मीन्स मेरे दादाजी, मेरे परदादाजी, मेरे पापा, मैं, ये सब अलग अलग जनरेशन है. तो ये लोग सब started living in village. हम सबके भी खुद के अपने अपने villages है. We all have our own गांव और village, right? So क्यों है? क्योंकि वहां पे खेती बाड़ी है, right? हम सबके गांव में खेती बाड़ी होती है. So this is village settlements. Who lived in village settlement? Homo sapiens sapien. When? In New Stone Age. What changed in New Stone Age period? Human beings started producing food, which is why there was no more movement of human beings from place to place looking for food. Food could now be stored in for a longer time. Now take full 1 minute to write this down in your notebook. Pause the video and write this down. Now let's revise whatever we have learned till now. We learned old Stone Age में Homo neanderthalensis lived in shelters. They lived in caves. They lived in huts made out of bamboo and mud. Now shelters were not strong क्योंकि वो bamboo और mud का बना था. When old Stone Age में shelters में रहते थे Homo neanderthalensis. Old Stone Age के बाद आया Middle Stone Age. Middle Stone Age में who lived? Homo sapiens lived. Where did they live? They lived in seasonal camps. Right? Give me 1 minute. Yeah. And they lived in groups. They lived in different places based on 1 minute. Yeah, they lived in different places based on season and food. When Middle Stone Age में Homo sapiens lived in seasonal camps in groups और अलग-अलग places में रहते थे खाने और season के हिसाब से. And then came New Stone Age. New Stone Age में क्या हुआ? People started producing food. Human beings started producing food. Who lived in New Stone Age? Homo sapiens sapien. Where did they live? Village settlement. So now they did not have to move from place to hunt for food. People began building permanent village settlements. Permanently वो अपना village बना लिया and lived in them generation after generation. This is हमने story में हमने chapter में अभी तक इतना कुछ पढ़ा है. This is the chapter, right? Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, New Stone Age. Homo neanderthalensis, Homo sapien, Homo sapiens sapien. Shelters, seasonal camps, village settlements. Please write all of this down in your notebook. Pause the video and write this down. Now quickly we're going to do a match the following exercise. Here we have 3 columns, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 3 columns. So we have to draw lines and match. So shelters को who do I match with? Now I know shelters सबसे पहले आया था. So सबसे पहले इन तीनों में से Homo neanderthalensis, correct? सबसे पहले क्या आया था? Old Stone Age, right? Now village settlements सबसे recent आया था. Recent में Homo sapiens sapien. Homo sapiens sapien सबसे नया में New Stone Age. Seasonal camps, seasonal camps village settlement से पहले था Homo sapien Middle Stone Age. Please draw this in your notebook also. I will check whether you have done it or not. I want to see your notebook. Now this is something you will do on your own. Okay, but I will tell you what this means. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Dash was built in New Stone Age. New Stone Age में क्या built हुआ था? Village settlement और shelter. Write the correct answer. ये दोनों में से B. Dash were huts made out of bamboo and mud. Shelters या seasonal camps. कौन थे वो huts जो bamboo या mud से बने थे? Shelters या seasonal camps. Okay, write the correct answer. Question number 2. True or false? True या false? True माने सही, false माने गलत. A. Human beings started producing food in New Stone Age. Human beings ने food produce करना चालू किया कब? New Stone Age में. True या false? Write the answer. B. Humans had to move from one place to another because of village settlements. Village settlement की वजह से लोगों को move करना पड़ रहा था human beings को. True or false? Write the answer here. Now question number 3 is fill in the boxes. So for example, first में आपको दिया गया है shelters old stone age में था. यहाँ पे what will be the answer? Middle stone age में कौन से type के housing system थे? And then village settlements कौन से age में था? Old stone age, middle stone age. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? And what will come here also? Right? So you have to fill these two boxes. Question number 4. Write two characteristics of each of the following. Characteristics means write any 2 points, whatever you know about these three things, right? Shelters के बारे में you have to write 2 things. Seasonal camps के बारे में you have to write 2 things. Village settlements के बारे में you have to write 2 things. Write which Stone Age period was it? Which type of human beings lived there? What did the house look like? Write all of these things, right? If you can write more than 2 points, even better. All right. And that's it. With that, we come to the end of the chapter. Make sure you're writing everything in your notebook. Last question answer, Didi wants to check. If you don't understand something, please reach out. And yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.